Are you tired of complicated weight loss routines that leave you starving, exhausted, and frustrated? Let me share with you something ancient, gentle, and effective: a 7-day Ayurvedic diet plan that helps you lose weight naturally without harsh restrictions. This is more than just a diet, it's a full-body reset. In just 7 days, you'll feel lighter, more energized, and more in tune with your body. Let's get started. Day 1: Detox and Reset Morning. Start your day with warm lemon water. It gently detoxifies your liver, jump-starts digestion, and boosts your metabolism. Breakfast: moong dal chilla, an Indian lentil pancake paired with fresh mint chutney. It's packed with protein and keeps you full longer. Lunch: multigrain roti, lentils, and seasonal sauteed veggies, simple, filling, and full of fiber. Dinner: a light moong dal khichdi, rice lentil porridge, with a glass of buttermilk. Easy on your stomach and perfect for restful sleep. Day 2: burn fat gently morning. Start with fenugreek seed water, soaked overnight and sipped first thing in the morning. It balances blood sugar and improves digestion. Breakfast: oats upma, savory oats cooked with vegetables and spices, low calorie, high fiber, and gut friendly. Lunch: brown rice, lentils, and a big raw salad. Keeps you full without spiking your blood sugar. Dinner: bottle gourd, lauki, soup, and some roasted chickpeas, light, hydrating, and protein-rich. Day 3: boost energy naturally morning. Sip jeera cumin water. It reduces bloating and stimulates digestion. Breakfast: a bowl of fresh fruits and a handful of mixed nuts, rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Lunch: bajra, pearl millet, raw, with mixed vegetable curry, perfect for sustained energy. Dinner: vegetable soup and roasted fox nuts, mekana, light, crunchy, and satisfying. Day 4: strengthen immunity morning. Drink aloe vera juice, good for your skin, digestion, and immune system. Breakfast: sprout salad or cheat, full of live enzymes and plant protein. Lunch: kidney bean curry with rice and sauteed greens, comforting and nutritious. Dinner: spinach soup with a light side of cooked veggies like ridge gourd or sakshi. Day 5: liver cleanse and a lightness morning. Begin with coriander water, a natural liver detox drink. Breakfast: semolina, sood, upma with veggies, warm and satisfying. Lunch: whole wheat roti with bottle gourd curry, light and cooling. Dinner: vegetable dahlia, cracked wheat porridge, nourishing and low on the glycemic index. Day 6: rejuvenate skin and boost energy morning. Sip on abla, Indian gooseberry juice, one of the richest sources of vitamin C. Breakfast: almond milk smoothie with banana or dates, a natural energy booster and great for your skin. Lunch: chickpea flour besan roti with buttermilk, protein-rich and great for digestion. Dinner: simple khichdi with a teaspoon of ghee, comforting, healing, and deeply nourishing. Day 7: refresh and restore morning. Start with a cup of green tea, loaded with antioxidants and metabolism-boosting catechins. Breakfast: plain yogurt with chia seeds, great for gut health and keeps cravings at bay. Lunch: dahlia pulid cracked wheat cooked with mulled veggies and light spices. Dinner: vegetable soup, warm, satisfying, and cleansing to end your day. 4 golden rules to follow every day. 1. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Hydration is key for fat loss. 2. Avoid processed foods, refined sugar, and excess salt. 3. Do 20-30 minutes of yoga or walking every day. 4. Listen to your body. Stop eating before you are 100% full. By the end of day 7, you'll feel lighter, more energetic, mentally calmer, happier with your body. You don't need crash diets to lose weight. You just need to give your body what it truly wants: balance, nourishment, and love. Try this 7-day Ayurvedic diet and feel the transformation from the inside out. Like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Pure Health User, and share it with someone who needs a gentle start toward better health. Because when your body is healthy, everything else feels better too.